What's happening, YouTube? Check this out. Chib's gonna help me open something up. I don't even know how to open this thing. Holy cow. What's it gonna be? Oh. Mystery. What? Nice. Bunal Brand sparring sword. Flat of the blade, blade orientated. Oof, man. This is one of the big things that my old coach guru Victor Gindrana was a big fan of, having the sparring blade made out of the foam, but also with the flat of the blade, so it wasn't just a stick like Bunal's so known for. So this is a really neat trick. Super awesome. This thing, holy cow, what is in here? I need my chibs to cut through the bubble wrap. Holy smoke. Okers. Anybody know what that looks like? Oh, if you do, then you know I'm in the mix. Sansibar City. Wow. Guys, this is how the real McCoys play right here. God, look at that thing. The fleur-de-lis, it's like a chicken foot. Man, I am in the mix. I can't thank Steve from Bunal Brand enough. We sent some blades of Hog Mountain, that I make, to the Philippines this summer, and this, wow, I'm dying, absolutely dying.